inflatable kayaks in the back. This guy driving, so we might get there. Gonna have some fun today, man. We just watched this little briefing video about kayaking in the whitewater, which is very amusing. I'm excited. I can't wait. Woo! A little workout here. Ready to do this?
Do it, buddy.
Oh my gosh. It's warm.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I won't be here in a minute.
Oh yeah. Oh, cold butt. Yeah, boy. Oh man, they're responsive. Dude, you friggin' turn on a dime. What? Is this like your Bushcraft, how it feels?
This time's about 4.
Oh man. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, the Bushcraft, I can do that. But I give you an idea.
Cold butt. Yeah, I followed you, yeah. Yeah, I was able to like turn around and spin around in the middle of it too. Yeah, it was pretty cool, man. That was class 2 then? Tops? Low class 2. Story of my life. Okay, from what Kyle's told me, this is supposed to be the gnarliest part of it. Gnarly. I'm in California, so I can say gnarly. That was alright. Kyle's saying that the water is down quite a bit from last time. He said that big rock I just went by was only about 2 inches out of the water last time, but yeah, such is summer, eh? This is pretty cool. I'm having a lot of fun. It's very cool. I'm all steaming up, all foggy. This is cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kyle's scared. He's so scared. He's such a scaredy. Here we go, hit this one hard. Here we go. That was all right. Woo! That was pretty fun. That was probably the best one yet. We learned how to correct ourselves so you can tip almost to the point where you're gonna go in. What? I can't hear a damn thing he's saying. I think this is our last big run, he said, and the longest. But then we're gonna try to go to a different portion of the river, drive over to a different section of the river and do some class 3s, because this is fun, but class 3s would be that much more fun. You like my knees? You like my knobby knees? Oh, there goes Kyle. You good? Oh, Kyle took a tumbly. Woo! He's good. He's got his paddle and his raft. I gotta hang up and wait here for him, I think. I can't really stop, actually. Woo! I'm doing this on purpose. Spinning around. Oh man, this is fun. This is legit. Good, wholesome fun. What happened? I said, what happened? I know, I got it all on film. Yeah, I think so. I was filming, you might have been a little far away, but... Dude, I was spinning around in these rapids on purpose. At the end here, it's very fun. I was trying to surf at first, but I realized I couldn't do that. That was fun. There's another good one. I guess we weren't at the end. Yeah, that looks like a good one. Kyle's getting some height. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. All right, well, those little baby rapids were real cool, but we got to step it up a notch, eh, Kyle?
Exactly.
So
I didn't see you get thrown out of the boat, so that's my main goal today.
Right, right. We saw you get thrown.
I was goofing around.
Yeah, you're a goof, all right. So so we're driving right now to another put-in at a different part of the same river. It's called the American River.
Yes.
The American River. So looking forward to that. We're gonna
get some food first.
Yeah, get a bite to eat and drink some waters because it is very, very hot outside today. What's the temperature?
It's only 99.
It's only 99.
It's crossed over the 100 threshold quite yet.
Yeah, give it another minute. It's 12 o'clock. All right, looking for. Oh, man, that's Tahoe over there. You said?
Yeah.
It's snow on the mountains and I'm boiling.
Yeah, you can see snow and it's 100 degrees all at once.
That's very cool. Alrighty. See you back. Woo! Oh man, that's fun. That was good. That was a good one. Look at that view. Look at that view. Look at that view. This part of the river is way more wild, very scenic. Some hills. Very pretty. Big old.
We come to this spot, pull up on a sandy beach, have lunch, just like fish it off, and then fish for a while.
Can you camp along anywhere, I wonder?
I don't know. I mean, like, no one's gonna find you.
Right. Thanks, buddy.
I like tear on the bottom.
Thank you.
Oh, don't panic, bro. Keep your feet up.
You alright? Almost threw me out the boat! Almost threw me out the boat! Stay in the boat! Keep arms and legs in the boat! Yeah, buddy! Watch out. Oh, this is my paddle.
Try to get your raft over here. Go ahead. Put up on the rock.
Thank you.
That's it. You okay?
I'm good. Lost my paddle.
We got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
You guys are awesome.
Jack rolled with both his paddle. Your paddle and his paddle.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I can't breathe.
Yeah, it takes time, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. An adrenaline rush there.
Yeah, that was my first time going in. Woo. Oh, thanks, guys.
Take time, man. No rush. Get your breath and everything.
Yeah.
We did all day.
I was here a week ago and I swam in the same spot.
Did you?
Yeah.
See, I caught myself back there. I just slipped back in. Easy to do. Oh, man.
Tell me when you're ready. We'll bring it up to you.
I'm probably good. Oh, man.
You get your paddle first.
Yeah.
Jack? I can't see Jack. How far down? Where's Jack? He down? Oh, is he out? Can he get over here?
He's coming. Oh.
Paddle first.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Oh, man. Takes your breath away.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Water adrenaline. Also don't have gills.
That's true. Ah.
Grab the tether. Throw a paddle in the boat, Jack.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm good. I'll let you guys go. Sorry. Thanks again. Oh, that was something else.
Yeah.
I only went in once, and it was at like the worst spot. I had some kayakers come save my life. It was a shocking experience. Never went in like that before. So
Very humbling.
yeah, very humbling. I was gun shy after, even shaky and stuff. Never really felt like I was gonna die or anything. I just didn't have control, and I didn't like that at all. But awesome time, right?
Good time.
Very, very fun. Very fun. We just gotta wait for our shuttle now. we relive our adventure.